Welcome back to another Afterwork special. My name is Garrett, and this is Mojo Manufacturing. So this is the shifter we're going to make. This is sort of flip-flopped around. 0 point, top left. We're going to mill this shifter out. This is the first operation. Flip it over, do the second. This is the new style shifter. So it's going to do that, come in with a radius end mill. I haven't used one of these yet, so I'm anxious to see what happens. And I'm going to come down and do a little design around here, and then do a engraving on the top here. So that's what we're going to do. Let's check it out. Alright, I've never been so scared in my life after that. I mean, after the last couple weeks, I don't know really what to expect, but we're off just a little bit around here. And that could happen to do something with my Z right here. Or my X, where I came off this side. So, I think from now on what I'm going to do is zero it for... How am I going to do that? Have two different work coordinate systems, have two different setups, so this one would be a G54 and a G55 whenever I get this one in there. I'm going to run this one more time just for fun, just to see what happens. Well, let's continue and see what we got here. Next up is the thread mill. So this is going to come around here and do a nice contour, make it sort of like the piston ring lands. This is going to be called the piston shifter. And you just missed the engraving. I forgot to turn the GoPro back on, but that's what it looks like. So I'm going to repost this and find the 0 point for right in the middle of this instead of running off the side here. I might be off just a little bit. I don't know. We'll figure it out though. Not a huge deal, but this looks pretty good. 0 point is right in the middle, and I actually brought this, I'm going to bring this down a little bit further just to get a better round edge on this. So hopefully that works out. I think we'll be okay. So now we have a huge lip over here, so that's no good. So how often should you check the Heimer to make sure it's concentric with everything? Because I put it in there and it was off by maybe 2 or 3 thousandths, and that's a lot. So I re-zeroed that and set the zeros again, and then hopefully that's okay. Hopefully that turns out alright with the radius end mill. But now, since I already did this one, this is the first one we just did, just flipped over to do the other side. We're going to do the second up on that, and that'll be the first up on this. So we're just going to do the whole shebang right now. This will be just basically a test one. So, see what happens. I'm going to put my original first one back in here because I forgot to thread it. So here it is. Thread both of these at the same time. Awesome. Now that these are threaded, this one's my first one. This one's good to go. So this next one will get flipped over here, and I can start where I left off tomorrow. So that's awesome.